Hi, good morning. This is Anna, and today I'm going to help you with a class. Okay, first you're going to start working with Timo Kekkonen's typical day. I'm going to read the text, and you are going to complete the chart below, this one, with information from the reading. Timo Kekkonen. Hi, my name's Timo Kekkonen. I'm Finnish and I live in Espoo. I live with my partner Seija. She's a receptionist at a hotel. We have a son, Matti. He's 2. I work for a bank in Helsinki. I get up very early at 6 o'clock and I leave home at 6:30. I go to work by train. It takes an hour and is very crowded. The normal time to start work at my company is 8 o'clock. I get to work at 7:30 because I always have a lot of work. I finish work at 7 o'clock every day. I get home an hour later. It's a long day, but I don't work at the weekend. Well, okay, now take some time and complete the chart with Timo's information. Well, these are the answers to the reading. Now you are going to listen to Stephanie talk about her day, and you are going to complete Stephanie's chart.